Fresh from winning a silver in doubles and a bronze in singles at the recently concluded Asian Youth Table Tennis Championships in Thailand, teenage paddler Cinderella Das arrived at the Kolkata airport on Sunday night without any fanfare and media attention. Yes, there were not a single mainstream media to cover her arrival except Rep Sports. She was received at the airport by her coach Shomadip Roy and the students who train in the same academy. The 16-year-old paddler is already focused on bigger goals. It has been an incredible last few months for Cinderella, not only being picked as the youngest member in the Indian women's squad for the 2026 Asian Games, but also attracting a bid of 17 lakhs from Dempo Goa Challengers in the upcoming Ultimate Table Tennis League in Goa. Cinderella reflected on her recent success, the lessons she learned at the Asian Youth Table Tennis Championships, and her ambitions for the future in a freewheeling chat with Rep Sports. Former India player Shomadip Roy also exuded confidence in a student to do well in the coming days. Cinderella, a bit disappointed that you couldn't win the gold in the doubles final because you were down by in the first game, then you came back to win the next two games, but eventually you cannot keep the momentum.
Yes, it was a bit heartbreaking, of course, because we were 2-1 up and we were just one set away. But it's okay. We have to give it to them because the Japanese pair, they played extraordinarily well. And after 2-1, I think they played like fantastic. Like, actually, it was because we gave our best and we were playing so much of rallies, but yet they still had an answer to that. So it's okay that we couldn't win this time, and I think we should have like approached in a different way. But also, we didn't know how they played because it was the first time of them pairing up, but we knew that they were a good pair because in semi-finals they were down 2085 with the Chinese pair, but then they eventually won that match also. So we knew they could do a comeback anytime, but it's okay. We'll be preparing for the next Asian Championships. Hopefully, we win gold there.
Yeah, absolutely, and that's the sort of confidence that oozes out from you. But if you are to look forward to, obviously, you have some big challenges, starting with the Commonwealth Championships in Delhi. Then you play several tournaments before you actually travel to Japan. So, can you talk us the preparation? How are you going to prepare yourself for the all important Asian Games?
Now I will be going to Goa for the Ultimate Table Tennis League, and then I'll be play there. I'll be playing with different players from different countries. Also, a good exposure for practice again because for matches and stuff. And then after that, I'll be going to Europe Youth Commonwealth Championships. After that, I'll be going to Europe Smash and Europe Youth Smash, and then comes a national ranking tournament in India, and then I will go for Asian Games.
What were your reactions when you first heard that you were picked in the Asian Games squad, and you happen to be the youngest member? So, and how was the mood in the family and amongst your friends, your academy teammates? So, can you just talk us about that moment when you got to hear that you were picked for the Indian team?
I was super happy, and of course, that time I had like high emotions, and I called my mom and said that I got selected, and she was like, "Wow, really, very good! Congratulations! We're so happy for you." And my family members also congratulated me. And then when I got to know I was also the youngest, I was feeling so proud of myself, and I was like, now no matter what happens, I have to go and win a medal over there. Then also like it would be a very big thing in India, of course. So I'm looking forward to going to Japan.
Talking about the Ultimate Table Tennis League, you will be playing alongside some of the big names in table tennis circuit. So you spoke about exposure treatments. How will it sort of give you confidence, brushing aside some of the great players?
In my team, I have Bernadette George and Alvaro Robles from internationally. So I'm looking forward to practice with them with my teammates, and also then after that we play matches against different foreign players also. And that is a good thing because European Asian mix players will be participating in UTT, and I can play sets with everyone, or like any one of them, whoever that they will put team accordingly. And that would also teach me new things, because there's a different pressure in each set. There are only 3 games, so no matter what the score is, we only play 3 games. It's not like best of 5, there's 5 games you play arams and like that. But there is only 3 games, so there's a different pressure, and I will also learn to grab each point and fight for each point, because also the points also count. So yeah, that would be a good challenge for me.
And talking about the Asian Games side, the women's squad, you will be having Shrutirtha Di, I would say. Shrutirtha Di and Ohika both won a bronze last time India participated in the Asian Games. So, would you be looking forward to go the distance and perhaps win silver or even gold?
Yes, I would like to surpass them also and change the color of the medal this time. Hopefully, we have enough support, motivation, and I hope my teammates are all gonna give their best. Of course, as well. And we are looking forward to win and change the color.
And talking about the Indian team, you have a Srija Akula, you have a Dia Chitale, yeah, Yashaswini, and then Sutirtha and yourself. How do you see means India's chances in Asian Games?
I think we have a good, strong team with different types of players. So, like Srijadi with the long pimples, Yashashwini also with the long pimples, Dia with the plain rubber and both side attacking, Sutrithadi with uh, amazing backhand and good forehand, and also me myself same as Sutrithadi. So I think we have good chances if we mix and match and play accordingly. We have very good chance of winning medal as well.
Sunderli, if I may ask you, this experience of playing in the Asian youth table tennis means when you took on some of the strongest nations in Japan and China, what was the learning experience? And you were talking about a Japanese opponent who has very unfamiliar grip. Can you just talk us through?
Yes, in the pre-quarterfinals, I played with Yao Ruxuan of China. She was the world champion in under 15 juniors, and then in quarterfinals, I played against Yuna Oji of Japan. Which this girl is famous for her own style of grip. She plays with a unique style which nobody ever in table tennis plays, and she also used to compete with Miwa. And now Miwa plays seniors, but she's still in juniors. So she was like very head to head with Miwa.
Yeah, and just one more thing that I would like to ask you. When you saw that Monica Batra, she was kept in the reserves, and there were a lot of talks, lot of controversies surrounding her non-selection in the main team. Does it sort of affect you? Means obviously, or will it sort of put pressure on you?
No, I think it does not affect me. Of course, we will miss Manika Didi in the team, but it will not affect me. It will like make us work even like harder and fight for her as well, so that we win. If we win a medal, it's a very good big thing. And yeah, I think I'm just there to give my best.
Mm. Talk us about your preparations and the contribution of your coaches, Somodip sir. We were at the academy as well, and obviously the sacrifices of your family, your father, your mother, and they have been really seen you grow up. Uh, Talk us about the sacrifices of your family, the coaches, and everyone associated in your upbringing.
I think, of course, first of all, thanks to my parents, because without them, I wouldn't have picked table tennis also.
Well, just talk us as to how did you started loving table tennis?
Um, I I used to play table tennis just as a hobby, and I also used to do swimming, dancing, singing, drawing, and after that, I played one local tournament which my club they organized, and I won that tournament. It was a mixed tournament, girls and boys both. And in the finals, I won against this one boy, and I was so happy after, like, when I got the medal and the trophy. I was like, wow, I want more of these, because because it was big and it was very like shiny, so it was like taking my breath away. So I was like, I want more like this. And then I started playing more like those club local tournaments which they used to organize, and I started winning more. And then I played in one Bengal ranking tournament for the first time, and I won silver in that. So it was my first time also. So there were very good players in that level also, and I beat all of them, but in the finals I lost. But after that, slowly I started liking that sport more, and I started training professionally after that from 2018. I also went to watch UTT in 2018, which was in Kolkata that time. And then I got to know about Somadeep sir and Paulomi ma'am's academy in Jadavpur, which was just near my house, just 5 minutes, 7 minutes. So then I went there and started playing professionally.
Were you having an eye when the auction was happening for the UTT? Because your base price was only
7 lakhs.
7 lakh, and I mean, at least three teams were bent on having you in their side, and you eventually got picked by the Goan team for 17 lakhs. Means, and what was the mood in the family? Means, obviously we have seen in the IPL when players get picked by the franchises. So were you sort of excited?
Yes, I was excited. I was excited which team I'll be going to, and also I was in London that time. We were practicing and we were also watching the bidding like auction live, and I was very happy when I got sold to Goa. The home crowd, I was excited that I will be participating in front of the home crowd, and that it would be a fun for my first time. I am playing for Goa in the home ground. It would be a good experience for me, and also I have my favorite players in my team also. So I am really looking forward to play.
Bernadette Shocks.
Bernadette Zox, yes.
Yeah, and are you looking forward to picking her brain? Means when you will be joining the Goan team.
Yes, definitely. Tomorrow I'm excited to meet her.
And talk us about your favorite player. Means I haven't asked you, but any role model or any favorite player that you love watching, and what has been in your strength and weaknesses.
Um, in India, I would say Paulomi ma'am, Mama ma'am is Sutirthadi, and also Somadeep sir. And outside India is Wang Manyu currently, because she has an aggressive attacking style which I really like, and I also follow that myself. And I like her fighting spirit, the way she motivates herself up when one point is gone, the way she fights for each point, the way she won't let the match go, and also how how calm she is during pressure times, I would say.
Can you talk us about the role of the national coach Massimo Constantini and obviously Mamta Prabhu?
Yes, they go with us for the youth and senior team as well. So they, Massimo, the head coach, he is very concerned about the training, and also when we are playing matches, and he gives us good motivation and good technique, and he teaches us new things each tournament. So there's a lot to learn from him. And also Mamta ma'am, she's always there to support, and uh, she I think she was the one who sat for the quarterfinal match of Sutirthadi and Aikadi also. And yeah, I really like the guidance of them.
Yeah. And final couple of questions. You are being billed as the most talented player right now in the country. So this pressure of expectation from now on, now that you have won the silver and bronze in Asian Youth TT, obviously you got picked in the UTT for the highest amount as a youngster. So does it put pressure on you? Means obviously there will be more and more expectations with each day.
Yes, there will be expectations, but I'm happy that everybody is fighting for me, and that makes me want to be even better. And I would say I enjoy liking that, because pressure is a privilege, I would say. And I enjoy my sport a lot. So if I even have pressure, I would not mind it. I would say.
So that was Cinderella Das. Means obviously pressure is a privilege for her, and obviously she is already setting high standards. As yes, as I said that she has already won a silver and bronze in Asian Youth TT. But herein lies the challenge, more challenges, tougher challenges, I would say. Starting with the UTT, then the Commonwealth Championship, and the bigger challenge will be to win a Asian Games medal, and that is what the entire country will be hoping for, and wishing Cinderella so that she goes on to make the India proud, the nation proud, and we also expect her to do wonders. So that's it for now.
I think আমি একটা প্রিন্সিপাল খুব ফলো করি আমি একটা প্রিন্সিপাল খুব ফলো করি যে কিপ দ্য এক্সপেকটেশন লো অ্যান্ড সেলফ বিলিভ হাই। আমরা অলরেডি আই থিঙ্ক গত 8 বছর ধরে ও যখন এসেছিলো 8 বছর বয়স ছিল এবং প্রথম দিনেই আমার মনে হয়েছিল যে এই মেয়েটার মধ্যে কিছু একটা দের ইজ সামথিং ডিফারেন্ট, যে কথাটা হয়তো ম্যাক্সিমাম লোকের কাছে খুব অবিশ্বাস্য লেগেছিল না কি বলছে, বাট আই থিঙ্ক শি হ্যাজ প্রুভেন ইট। এবং এইটা আমরা ওর ডেডিকেশন এবং ওর দ্য হাঙ্গার ওর মধ্যে রয়েছে, কোনো কিছু শেখার যে ইচ্ছা এবং সেই গ্রাসপিং পাওয়ার। আই থিঙ্ক এভরি চাইল্ড ইজ ডিফারেন্ট, শি ইজ এক্সট্রিমলি ট্যালেন্টেড। শুধু ট্যালেন্ট হলেই হয় না, ট্যালেন্টের সঙ্গে যেটা দরকার হয় যে ডেডিকেশন অ্যান্ড হাঙ্গার এবং দ্য ট্রাস্ট ইন দ্য প্রসেস, এবং কোচের ওপর ট্রাস্ট, সিস্টেমের ওপর ট্রাস্ট, বিলিভ রাখা। আই থিঙ্ক সেইটা হ্যাজ বিন কন্টিনিউয়াস এবং ওর জন্য প্রত্যেকটা জিনিস খুব প্ল্যান। অ্যান্ড অফকোর্স উই হ্যাভ বিন ফর্চুনেট যে খুব আর্লি এজ থেকে আমাদের ধানুকা ধানসারি ফাউন্ডেশন ওকে সাপোর্ট করেছে এবং তারপরে ওজিকিউ কেম অন বোর্ড। সো আই থিঙ্ক এবং আমাদের যে টার্গেট ছিল, শর্ট টার্ম টার্গেট এবং লং টার্ম টার্গেট, আই থিঙ্ক শি হ্যাজ সারপাসড এভরিথিং। এবং 16 বছর বয়সে সিনিয়র ন্যাশনালস ফাইনাল খেলা এবং the same year under 17 and under 19 nationals jeta in the same year. So I think it's even 16 বছর বয়সে I think Momo Polumi or somebody যে সিনিয়র ইন্ডিয়া টিমে খেলেছে মেয়েদের, সো আই থিঙ্ক সেন্ড্রেলা ছাড়া আর কেউ নেই, আই ডোন্ট সি এনিওয়ান। সো আমাদের এটাই, আমাদের অ্যাজ আ কোচ আমার প্রাপ্তি এটাই যে আমার পৌলমীর জুনিয়র এশিয়ান চ্যাম্পিয়নশিপে ব্রোঞ্জ ছিল, সেটাকে সারপাস করে আমাদের স্টুডেন্ট সেটাকে সিলভার করেছে। গোল্ড উড হ্যাভ বিন বেটার, শি লস্ট ভেরি ক্লোজ ম্যাচ উইথ দ্য হংকং গার্ল এবং জাপানিজ প্লেয়ারের সঙ্গে ডাবলসে ফাইনালে। বাট আই থিঙ্ক এটা একটা স্টেপ টুয়ার্ডস আওয়ার বিগার এম অফ উইনিং দ্যাট মেডেল অলিম্পিক গোল্ড।